I want is for everyone to clear the house for 1 hour so I can play that new mobile game Life After. Is that too much to ask for? You hear me? Douche! Kids have gone out. All I need you is to get the hell out as well. Or else, don't make King Prometheus come looking for you. I don't take orders from babes. This is not what I need today. This is exactly what you need. Maybe I can flush him out another way. What a noob. Wait! Hold on, man. Yes! Guys, that was a close call. But I managed to finally clear the house of Tommy. At least for the day. But Tommy's not gonna be happy when he respawns. And that's it for now. Later, dudes.